March 18th, 1834. Tolpuddle Martyrs sentencing. In Tolpuddle, Dorset, England, 6 farm laborers formed a trade union to protest the reduction of their wages. They were convicted under an antiquated law and sentenced to transportation to Australia. This incident, known as the Tolpuddle Martyrs case, sparked widespread outrage and became a significant event in the history of labor rights, shedding light on the harsh treatment of workers and the struggle for labor rights and fair wages. 1848. Premiere of Fry's Leonora. The premiere of Leonora by William Henry Fry in Philadelphia marked a milestone as the first known performance of a grand opera composed by an American. This event was significant in the cultural history of the United States, showcasing American talent in the classical music genre and contributing to the nation's growing artistic heritage. 1865. Confederate States Congress adjournment. As the American Civil War came to a close, the Confederate States Congress held its final session. This adjournment signified the collapse of the Confederate government, marking the end of the Confederate States of America and the beginning of the Reconstruction era in the United States. 1871. Declaration of the Paris Commune. The Paris Commune was declared in response to political unrest in France. It was a revolutionary socialist government that briefly ruled Paris, seeking to establish a more egalitarian society. However, President Adolphe Thiers ordered the evacuation of Paris, leading to a violent suppression of the Commune by the French government, resulting in significant social and political repercussions. 1874. Hawaiian Kingdom's treaty with the United States. The Hawaiian Kingdom signed a treaty with the United States granting exclusive trade rights. This agreement facilitated trade between Hawaii and the United States, impacting Hawaii's economy and setting the stage for future diplomatic relations and eventual annexation by the United States in 1898. 1899. Discovery of Saturn's moon, Phoebe. Phoebe, one of Saturn's moons, was discovered through photographs taken by astronomer William Henry Pickering in August 1898. This discovery was significant in advancing our understanding of the solar system and marked the first time a moon was found using photographic technology, contributing to astronomical research and exploration.